We're both family lawyers, so we specialise in relationship breakdown, assisting and supporting a party and helping them resolve financial issues and arrangements in connection with their children.
Yeah. Essentially, the work that we undertake falls into three main categories. The first one being divorce, which is quite understandable. The second one is the financial separation following the breakdown of the marriage. And finally, we deal with the private children proceedings. We also specialise in drafting prenuptial agreements prior to a marriage, cohabitation agreements, and we also undertake a full service of mediation work. As a family department, we essentially operate out of East Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, Nottinghamshire, but our client base is relatively international.
The loss of legal aid for family law generally had a massive impact on most family law departments. However, at Wilkin Chapman, we are always one step ahead of the game, so we saw that coming and we managed our way out of it so that we could continue to provide a great service to our private client base.
In the family law department, we deal with quite a number of very interesting matters. One case in particular followed the Supreme Court decision of Vincent Wyatt. We acted for a lady who was in her late 80s. She'd actually been separated from her husband for the past 50 years. There's never actually been any divorce proceedings. We were actually able to obtain a very favourable settlement for the client, even though they had been separated for such a long period of time.
In the family law department, most clients come to us by personal recommendation. When you're going through a family law crisis, it's really important to be with someone that you trust and have confidence in. So for us, the majority of our referral work comes from personal recommendation from clients who've gone away happy. The thing about family law is every day is different. It's exciting, you never know what you're going to get, what problems the client will have that day and how you're going to have to resolve them, from a child abduction, a domestic violence case where you have to get somebody out of a household and keep them safe, or a multi-million-pound divorce. So every day is different for us and that's what makes it challenging but exciting.
I appreciate it probably sounds a little bit cliche, but actually just achieving a really good result for the client is probably one of the best things that you can do in the job. The settlements that people derive from a divorce actually do change their lives, so it is important and it is really satisfying when you get a good result for them.
It absolutely is. It's about changing lives, that's what we do, and that's the satisfaction that we get. It's the biggest thank you that you can have.